What's up, ladies? It's me again. But no, we're going to be showing you how to change your part in this video. Here I'm showing you the tools that you'll need. We're going to start with the wig that already has a side part, and we're going to do a middle part. I recommend a rat tail comb, but the comb with the silver tip on the end. That's going to help you get a nice clean part. Now, when I'm making these videos, I got you in mind. So I'm showing you exactly what you need to do and what you need to get the results you want. Because I know you want to look good. So that's our purpose. So do exactly what you see me doing here. Remember, you're using the back of the comb to get it as flat as possible. You can use a blow dryer as well to get the hair to lay the other direction, but it's your preference. Here I added a little serum to the hair, not much. Remember, if you've already been wearing your hair, it probably already has product on it, so don't overdo the product. You don't want to be too greasy. Like just enough to get you a little shine and stop the frizz. Important part here is trimming the extra hair from when it was on the side part. I hope this video was helpful. This took about 15 minutes, but we sped it up. So let us know how it works in the comments.